Hello there and welcome to another unboxing video. As you can see on the screen, I have my smallest camera, which is the Nikon D5100. The D5100 came with its own original charger, but as you can see you have to add another plug to it. It's quite actually an awkward device to use, and also you can only put one battery on at a time, but hey ho, you've got to make do with what you've got. Until of course you come across something that might be better. Now I purchased this NEEWER system on Amazon for £24, and with it, I don't know yet until I open it, there should hopefully be a charger which allows you to charge two batteries at the same time with two batteries. Now the Nikon equivalent costs a lot more than this. In fact, it works at around about £15 per battery, let alone the charger. So I thought this is worth a shot. Given that this is the cheapest camera I've got, I thought, well, I'm not going to be investing much else into this camera apart from extra bits like lenses and so forth, so I thought this would be worth a shot. Inside the box there indeed appears to be lots of components. We have a USB charging cable here. It's nicely packaged, nice little box. So if you're one of these sort of people who like to keep things back in their boxes, it's a nice tidy little compact situation going on here. It's me struggling to undo the cable tie. Yeah, it's a reasonable length. It's quite short, but it's long enough, I guess. And there's the charger. Well, it feels quite nice. Feels okay. Maybe slightly lighter than the actual genuine Nikon equivalent. But first impression with the battery weight, well, that feels exactly the same as the Nikon battery. Yeah, I'm quite happy with that. Not bad at all. Let's see if it fits in here. Yeah, well that's nice and solid. Goes in easy. Goes in easier than the Nikon one. Quite a tight fit, which I guess is good, so if you do knock it, the batteries won't pop out mid-charge. Not that I had a problem with the Nikon one. Let's just see if this other battery fits in. Yes, it does. Yeah, feels okay. I'm quite happy with that. Well, first impressions are good. The proof will be in the eating, as they say, so I'll have to eventually get it on charge. I'm just going to try this in the Nikon. Yeah, it feels exactly the same. No difference. Apart from the charger feels lighter, in fact a lot lighter than the Nikon charger. But there you go, that's what you get. Nice little system there, nice box. And we've got two batteries, a charger with their caps and a USB cable. So although you don't need an actual mains plug adapter to be able to charge this system with, you do need a USB plug adapter. So you still need an extra plug. A little irritating, but that's okay. Modern technology, everything seems to be USB and beyond. Well, I'm quite happy with it. I will do a follow-up video as to how good these batteries are. In the interim period, I'm just now going to put these wires on and then see if we can actually get the thing charging, and I'll tell you if it works. So for 24 quid, as opposed to all up with the Nikon equivalent, which works at around about $49.99 for the equivalent setup, I'll be interested to see how long it takes. This system is obviously compatible with a lot of other Nikon products that use the same battery. Well, charging time is a little over 2 hours. Very impressed with that. And that's for both batteries. Would I recommend it? Well, from what I can see so far, most certainly. Certainly worth a shot at this price.